Okay, the other video left off at step 4. We are now on step 5. Sort the earned points column from the largest to the smallest value. And at the same time I'll do step 6. Sort the test average column from the smallest to the largest value. So 5 and 6. Okay. So earned points, we're going to go to the filter, or sort to sort largest to smallest, and test average, we're going to go from smallest to largest. Okay, again, that was earned points was largest to smallest, and test average was smallest to largest. Okay, now step number 7 is to create a formula that calculates the final grade with curve in cell S4. It'll be calculated by multiplying the earned points by 1.02. The formula will copy down to the rest of the column automatically. So simply, that's clicking in S4, use the equal sign, then left click on R4 under earned points, and then the asterisk, which is shift 8 times 1.02. and then enter. Okay, and that takes us through step 7. Step 8 is filter the data in the final grade with curve column so that only the records with final grades of at least greater than or equal to 60 are displayed. So we go to the drop down arrow for that column, we go to number filters, and we want number filters, and we want greater than or equal to 60, and OK. Alright, that's step number 8. And then step number 9 is to insert a total row at the bottom of the table. Ensure the function at the bottom of test average is set to average, and final grade with curve function is set to count. Okay, so simply to do our total row, we just go to the design tab and click on total row. The total row is put in there for us, and under test average column you click on the row just below that and the drop down arrow and choose average. We then go to the column for final grade with curve, S15, drop down arrow, and choose count. Okay, and that takes us through step number 9. Step number 10 is select the range L5 through L14. Set a formatting rule that will highlight cells that have a value greater than 79.99 with green fill with dark green text. So that's a well, first we'll select L5 through L14, and we'll go to Home tab because we have to go to conditional formatting. That's the one where we do highlight cells rules, and we're doing greater than and 79.99, and we're setting it to green fill with dark green text, and say OK. And that takes us through step 10. Okay, and step 11, apply the light blue data bars with gradient fill to the range S5 through S14. Alright, so highlight S5 through S14, conditional formatting, data bars, gradient fill, and I believe light blue is the second row, second column. Right, and then step 12, filter the test average column so that only the cells with the light green fill color are displayed. Okay, so we're going to filter this, filter by color, and then choose that color. And then the last thing that we need to do, prepare the worksheet for printing by changing the orientation to landscape. Go to page layout, orientation, and landscape.